Testing with realistic but secure data in sandbox environments can be complicated and time-consuming. The new Data Mask Seed, now a platform-native core app, gives you a faster and smarter way to empower your developers. The completely refreshed UI is easier to navigate, so developers and contractors can work in a realistic environment without ever seeing sensitive PII. From the moment you create a new policy, Data Mask Seed gets to work. Once you select your objects, the system automatically identifies PII and suggests the best masking rules to keep you compliant with regulations like GDPR and CCPA. For example, Data Mask Seed automatically identifies that emails and phone numbers should be masked. Within each field, you have granular choices for how it should be masked. You can replace the data with random characters, replace it with pre-built or custom libraries, replace it with patterns, or delete unnecessary data. To save even more time, you can schedule these jobs to run automatically, and the system will bypass automations for you. But masking and security is only half the story. To innovate faster, you need data. You can easily see the exact data you need from production, backups, or other sandboxes. Or if preferred, you can generate mock data to test specific use cases without touching real production records. Once you're satisfied, save your seed templates to reuse for any development, testing, or training scenario, streamlining your sandbox setup. When a job finishes, you get a clear, human-readable report telling you exactly what was masked or seeded with plain language errors for quick troubleshooting, so you can focus on deploying. Data Mask Seed eliminates the trade-off between speed and security, protecting your customers and empowering your developers. To get started, visit salesforce.com/platform/data-masking.